𝗏𝗃, I am with the organizer 𝗏𝗃 of this conference. So first I would like to ask that this conference was a success, and this is the first international conference on Sixth Dalai Lama in the whole world and in Tawang, and I think it's a great thing. So what do you want to say about this conference?
I think why this conference is important is for the fact that Sixth Dalai Lama 𝗏𝗏 𝗟𝗏 was born in Mount Tawang, and yet for a period of time, we seem to have what happens with time. Sometimes history gets forgotten, and the main idea of having this conference was to kind of bring his memories back and reclaim the legacy that he is of Tawang, and he is known in Lithang he's known better, in New York he's known better because internationally people listen to him, but in Tawang we do not know of him as much. So the idea was to do this conference, and we were quite surprised that when we announced that we are going to do a conference on His Holiness Sangyat, so the response we got, the numbers of, we have seen so many international scholars have come, so many scholars from within India. We have had about 40 papers presented. So I think that itself, the number of people present who had come all the way, and Tawang is quite far, to come to Tawang in winter to be able to part of this conference, I think that itself says how important this conference was. Not so much like just because we are the organizers, we are saying this is important. Not, I don't think that's the thing. The fact that so many people have actually come here to present their papers and stayed here for the 4 days, went to the birthplace of Sangyat, so went to the mother's place, Kushana, and it's difficult traveling in Arunachal. I think that itself shows that it is not the conference which is important, it's 𝗏𝗏 𝗟𝗏 who is important.
Okay, so this was the first time that happened in Tawang, this conference. So will we, in future, we will have again this conference like this conference?
I'm not sure if we will have specifically a conference, but yes, under the leadership and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, there is the vision, like he was sharing today. There will be activities. I do not know whether it's going to be a specific second conference, but I think more than that, what we would like to do is reach out to younger people, do outreach programs, do exhibitions like Honorable Singh was saying, and the conference will also, now that we have done the conference, it will take about at least a year to bring out the publication. So while the academic work is going on, I think now we'll like to focus more on public outreach, so that the people of Mount Tawang, and especially the youth of Mount Tawang, know more about 𝗏𝗏 𝗟𝗏 and start regarding him like people do all over the world.
Okay, thank you very much.